So the knife came in this box, completely unmarked box, and it came with this belt pouch. Nice. Now I believe this is a reproduction of some old Commie knife. Or I think this is a reproduction of a knife from back in the Cold War when I was a kid. Bolster there, it's got wood scales there. Closed construction. It's a swing guard and it does lock, right? See, it's got a fuller, it's got a mirror polish on the blade, and it's a liner lock. It's a swing guard, right? So the guard, well, I think you know why they're called swing guards, right? There's a pivot there. Swings into place. The blade length is 4.4 inches. It is 440C stainless steel. Yeah, 440C. This was $30, although I swear I've seen it on sale a few times, but it was $30 most recently. All right. It actually looks pretty nice. I mean, you would just use this as if you want a larger folding pocket knife, kind of retro, and you know, it doesn't have a thumb stud or anything like that. All right, so you can drop it open if your other hand is full. If you had to, you can drop it open. Now this has its uses. Nice belly, but it's also pointed. It's going to resist rust with that steel and that polish. It's definitely going to resist rust. So yeah, you need a pocket knife, right? In a high humidity area like where I am right now. This might be the ticket for a budget knife. Or if you remember back in the day, those old commies, they don't use that symbol anymore. All right. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I think it's okay for the price. Did it come sharp? Like how sharp was it out of the box? Almost paper slicing sharp. It's definitely static cutting bottles sharp. This is a seatbelt style strap. There you go. Okay, cutting a few more things. Now this is just an overview. Don't want to turn this into a lengthy process, but there's some paracord. So what's up, YouTube? Got this new knife here, just having a little fun. It's not a very long knife. This is tricky. Alright, there we go. Yeah, 4.4-inch blade. Plus it has a swing guard, so you gotta make sure not to, gotta have clearance, basically. Alright, 2. And then that'll be it for this, because it's short. Alright, adios to 2. Yeah, so you want one of these, they have them on Amazon. I'll include links below the video for your convenience. Please try to use those if you are in the USA. Well, okay, I hope you enjoyed seeing this interesting novelty pocket knife, I would say. A usable novelty and fairly budget friendly. If you have not subscribed, consider doing so for all sorts of knife reviews, multi-tools, budget reviews, collectibles, all kinds of stuff. This has been We All Juggle Knives. I'm out.